Hi, it's Miss Cindy from the Glenwood Branch Library. Hunger Games readers will be intrigued by this latest title by Suzanne Collins. The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes highlights the 10th annual Hunger Games and the young adult Coriolanus Snow. Of course, he seems lucky, but does he make his own luck? This quote is his mantra, but is his good luck accidental? The author explores what is necessary for survival, and is it the same for everyone? Not according to this quote by Lucy Gray. The Covey, a musical group in District 12 in Panem, plays a major part in the story. Lucy Gray Beard, a member of the Covey, and the female tribute from District 12, sings her way into Coriolanus' heart with ballads as old as time. You may even recognize some of them. Today I'd like to challenge you to write a ballad. First, choose your topic. It could be a real story from your life, or a made-up or fictional story with characters you create. It could even be an event straight from the news or from history. Here is a bit of Deep in the Meadow, sung by Hannah Starr and the Teenage Teenagers. Next, choose your tone. Will it be light and playful or melancholy? Remember, tone can change as you listen to this classic ballad of Oh My Darling Clementine, sung by the Swept-Aways.
In the cavern, in the canyon, excavating for a mine, dwelt a miner, 49er, and his daughter Clementine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever, dreadful sorry Clementine.
Don't forget to use rhyme or meter, the pacing of your ballad, as useful tools. Next is the classic Down in the Valley, sung by Ella Jenkins.
Down in the valley so low, hang your head over, hear the wind blow, hear the wind blow, love, hear the wind blow, hang your head.
Finally, let the story guide you as to the length and repeating verses for your ballad. Use the Freegal app to download and listen to these and other ballads like the ones written by Woody Guthrie or Bob Dylan. You can find links to the Freegal app for more music, our catalog, and the North Carolina Digital Library at greensborolibrary.org.